clear of any potential trip hazard like bags or bag straps. Federal regulations require all customers to comply